Here are 50 amazing facts that might just blow your mind. 1. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, and 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. 2. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. It takes Venus longer to rotate on its axis, 243 Earth days, than it does to orbit the Sun, 225 Earth days. Is called a flamboyant. Flies taste with their feet. They have taste sensors on their feet to help them find host plants and detect food. The world's largest living organism is a fungus. A honey fungus in Oregon spans over 2.4 miles and is over 2,400 years old. There's a planet made of diamond. 55 Cancri E, a planet in another solar system, is thought to be composed largely of carbon in the form of diamond. Cats don't taste sweetness. They lack the taste receptors for sweetness, making them indifferent to sugary foods. There are more possible iterations of a game of chess than there are atoms in the known universe. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. This phenomenon occurs at a specific temperature and pressure known as the triple point. A snail can sleep for 3 years. Some species of snails can enter a deep hibernation to survive harsh conditions. The human body contains about 37.2 trillion cells. That's a mind-boggling number when you consider the complexity of each one. You can hear a blue whale's heartbeat from 2 miles away. There's a jellyfish that is biologically immortal. Turritopsis dohrnii can revert back to its juvenile form after reaching adulthood, theoretically allowing it to live forever. A jiffy is a real unit of time. It is 1/100th of a second. All of the gold ever mined on Earth would fit into a cube with sides of about 21 meters or 69 feet. A day on Mercury lasts 1,408 hours. That's the equivalent of 58.6 Earth days. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the world's beaches. An estimated 1 billion trillion stars exist in the observable universe. Human bones are about 5 times stronger than steel. Pound for pound, bones are surprisingly strong. The shortest war in history lasted 38 minutes. It was between Britain and Zanzibar on August 27, 1896. A cloud can weigh over 1 million pounds. Despite their fluffy appearance, clouds are heavy with water vapor. The Earth's core is as hot as the surface of the sun. Temperatures can reach up to 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit, or 5,500 degrees Celsius at the core. A group of crows is called a murder. Pineapples take 2 to 3 years to grow. After that long wait, they produce a single fruit. An apple, potato, and onion all taste the same if you eat them with your nose plugged. Our sense of taste is largely influenced by our sense of smell. Light. The inventor of the Pringles can is buried in one. Fred Bauer requested to have his ashes placed in a Pringles can after his death. A bolt of lightning contains enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread. The human stomach gets a new lining every 3 to 4 days. This prevents it from digesting itself. Birds are the closest living relatives to dinosaurs. Modern birds evolved from theropod dinosaurs. A human could swim through a blue whale's arteries. The arteries are large enough to accommodate a small person. The fingerprints of a koala are so similar to humans that they can confuse crime scene investigators. The first computer mouse was made of wood. It was created in 1964 by Doug Engelbart. The word robot comes from the Czech word robota, which means forced labor. If you folded a piece of paper 42 times, it would reach the moon. While physically impossible due to thickness constraints, the math checks out. These facts offer a glimpse into the astonishing diversity and wonder of our world.